Hi, my name's Julia Gonzales and I welcome you to my channel. If you've never been here before, I love to travel to experience new cultures and amazingly delicious foods. I love empanadas. I do. I went to Argentina, I tried all the empanadas. My favorite empanada was the beef empanada. And now I want to try to bake it myself. Now, I'll be the first to admit I am not the best cook. My husband actually is. So under his supervision, and with inspiration from Canadian chef and internet personality Maddie Madison, I'm gonna try and bake some amazing empanadas. So let's start with the yummy dough. We have 4 cups of flour, 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of water, and a teaspoon of salt. So first, I'm gonna start with the dry ingredients. Right here is my flour with salt, and then the butter. Hey, look at that. And I'm gonna mush it together. Okay, I think this is good. It's like, you know, mixed well. Now we're gonna add the water. Just get it in there. And now I'm gonna mix it together some more. Mixing it together. Get in there. Mix it. It's feeling doughy. It's really mixing it. Now it's getting doughy. I can taste the empanadas. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Okay, now that it's good and doughy, I'm gonna put it onto the counter. Get all that good dough out. So I'm gonna bring it together and I'm gonna start kneading the dough. Come together. Come together right now over me. All right. So I'm gonna keep kneading. I'm terrible at this. I know it. This is the first time I've ever done this. But we're gonna make those empanadas and they're gonna be good, okay guys? We're gonna do it. All right, so my arms are on fire. I don't know how people do this all day long, but now it's time to make it into a nice little ball. Make it a nice little ball, and then I'm gonna put it in a bowl. So I'm gonna cover it, not with that towel's blech. A nice clean towel, and cover it, and it's gonna sit there for about a half hour. All right, so the yummy outside is ready, but now it's time to work on the filling. So let's get started on that yummy beef filling. All right, so now for the innards. All right, we got pound of meat, we got a couple onions, we got some green onions. We got 3 cloves of garlic, and then we have salt, pepper, paprika. Now, I have tried a lot of different empanadas in Argentina, and they come with olives, they come with raisins, they come with hard-boiled eggs. But, you know, I'm not very good at cooking, and I need to just keep it simple. So I want these empanadas to be amazing and delicious, but I don't want to overstep my bounds here. So we're going simple. So here we go. We're first gonna add the oil. Let's get these onions on a low heat. And then we're gonna add our seasoning, like I told you before. And I forgot, we kind of forgot an important ingredient. the cumin. So we're gonna add, some dashes of that. We got our onions on here in medium heat. And we're just mixing it up so we get all those spices, all the seasoning mixed into those onions real good. So next, we're gonna add the meats over here. Ooh, it's hot. Just adding a little bit more salt and pepper. Now this is all mixed up, the onions and the meat. Pretty much ready to go. We're just gonna add the garlic and just put the garlic on there for like a minute. You don't want it to burn. Work it in there. Get it all spread out. I love garlic. I love garlic. I love the way it smells. I love the way it tastes. All right, so this is ready to go. We're just gonna pull it off the heat. So now I'm just gonna add those yummy green onions that we had earlier. I'm gonna put it in, I'm gonna mix it around, and then I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator because we need it to cool down. All right, so let's get this dough rolled out. Let me get this flour on my rolling pin. I want to flatten it out a little bit because what I want to do is get this like really thin, obviously. Okay, now I think we're ready to do our cutouts for the empanadas. So we're just gonna place this here. Didn't cut through. Gotta make sure it cuts through. Here we go. Perfesh. And we're gonna take them and just take them to the side here. Get them out of here. Let's get the oven on. I'm hungry and I don't want to wait anymore. So we need it to 400 degrees. So let's get it started here. Okay, so our meat is cooled down. We got our little empanada circles. These guys are little. Hey, but first time making them, you know? Got this. So now we gotta fill in with the meats. It's just one meat. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the center here. Get the meats, get the onions. Oh, it smells so good. Let's just get it in the center. Get a good mix of it. Now we gotta add the water. The water's gonna add as a seal, but you only wanna do it on half of the empanada because then we'll fold and we'll attach. Hopefully that'll work. All right, so now we're gonna tuck and seal. This is a factory, guys. We're gonna do one step at a time. We did the water, now we're gonna tuck and seal, just like this. Oh. Now, guys, this is my first empanada. Stop. So we lose some stuff. Fine. That's part of the experience. Let me do that again. So we're gonna tuck and we're gonna seal. All right. So I put a lot of stuffing in there. and it's fine. Now we're just gonna tuck. So you do a lot of tucking, and then they should look somewhat like this. So this is a lot more difficult than I thought it was gonna be. But now I'm really hungry and I'm excited. So I have my oven at 400 degrees. I'm gonna put these in for 15 to 20 minutes and then I'm gonna chow down. Now it's time. I've been waiting all day because this does take like all day. But taste test time. Ooh, it's like fat, just ready. Mmm. Mmm. It's delicious. I mean, mmm. So I would say, if you can't make it to Argentina, this is a great way to have some empanadas at home on a lovely afternoon. If you have nothing else planned, make some empanadas. My name's Julia Gonzales. Thank you, Argentina, for inspiring me to make some empanadas. They're delicious. I want to say thank you to Maddie Madison for making cooking fun. And until next time, get out. There's a whole world you deserve to see. It's finally come. It's here. It's here. I've been waiting for this. Couldn't wait. I've been enjoying watching Maddie Madison on YouTube, and I just had to buy some of his merch. It's finally arrived. Receipt. Yes. The best. The best. Shirt on. It fits perfectly. It's perfect.